back to life, taking it to brand new heights. Ashes get beautified, stop by and jazz it up. We bring it back to life, taking it to brand new heights. Ashes get beautified, stop by and jazz it up. Welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine, and I'm back with some more Bohemian and Scandinavian home decor. Today I'm doing a little mini makeover on my mom's guest room slash storage room. So it was her storage room originally, and she wanted to make it into a guest room because my best friends were coming to visit. So I filmed this last week, so I'm just gonna post it this week. But yeah, we had a great time. They came to visit, and I'm going to show you the room that I set up for them. We had a really small budget. She pretty much just said, use whatever decor you already have. I want it really simple and minimal. Just like clean. They have a baby, so we didn't want too much like home decor around that he could like play with. So we grabbed some bedding from IKEA, and she bought a mattress for them. And then I pretty much just used stuff that we had. So I'm going to show you, this is design on a dime with no time. That's what I'm calling this, because that's pretty much what we did. Designed it in one day and spent pretty much nothing except for buying the bedding because she wanted fresh bedding for them. So yeah, let's jump into this video. So my mom's a teacher and she's taught multiple grades, so she has a lot of leftover stuff going on she needs to go through, but she doesn't have time to do it right now. So we're gonna pack it all into the closet as much as possible and then try to organize the room so it looks presentable for our friends to come. You may recognize this room if you've been watching me for a while now. This used to be my bedroom, probably in the beginning of last year before we moved to our apartment. And the other side of the room became my niece's playroom when we moved out. So that's still there. Okay, so I have these old curtains from my old room before I went to sheer curtains about a year ago probably. So I'm going to use these in here just because the way that you hang them up doesn't leave the loop at the top. So if they're wanting to sleep a little bit longer and not have so much light coming in, these will be helpful with that. So I'm going to do the switch really quick and then we'll move on to the next thing. I would eventually love to get some more brackets and curtain rods and hang these curtains outside of the window instead of using tension rods, but this is what we had. So I found someone giving away this lamp for free on Facebook, so I went and picked it up. I wasn't sure what I was going to use it for, but I brought it home anyway just to see, because I know I do a lot of projects, so I thought I could use it somewhere. Found this pillow in the other room that wasn't really being used, so I'm going to use it here on the bed. My mom wanted to utilize this mini fridge in this room just for guests, so we just cleaned it off and stocked it with some water, just so they had something to drink or a place to store their food if they had food. We're gonna leave them some towels to shower with. And then I think I'm gonna run back to IKEA to get the right duvet insert because I grabbed the wrong one. And then also I need to go home and grab my screwdriver unless I can find one here. So those are the only things I have left to do. Okay, so I feel like this room needs a little greenery, so I think I'm gonna give this room the olive tree. This was a DIY I did in a different video, which I will link because you asked me about it. Someone asked me about it in the last video. But I think I'm gonna do that there instead of the lamp. I think it just needs a little bit more life. I'm gonna keep it simple because I know they have a baby, and we just don't want too much decor for them to have to like
help him dodge. So I'll probably just bring in a plant that I actually bought for her birthday, and she can take it when she leaves. I'll put it there on the table, and then this on that side, and that's about it for this room. I'm just going to go to IKEA and get the duvet insert. So we recycled an old curtain rod and some old curtains that we had already just to cover up the stuff in the closet until she can get to it. And then we just set up the bed. I used a few pieces of decor that I pulled from around her house. Very minimal. She did not want a lot, so it was really simple to just add a couple pieces so it wasn't too plain, but then also did not over decorate the space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was super short, just a quick fun one. I just wanted to say hi and pop on and share with you guys little things. So I work on a lot of little projects that I don't really share. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, if you'd want more content like this. I also did a wedding, which I did not film. Maybe I can pop in some pictures if I have them, but it was really cute, just like a backyard wedding. We did it in a day. Like we decorated for like maybe 4 hours or 5 hours or so before the wedding. So it was really rushed, so I didn't film, which it would have been a fun one to film, but I didn't. And then I also like decorated a front office for like a health clinic thing. So let me know if you guys are interested in watching me decorate other spaces besides homes. And if anything else comes up, like a party or something like that, would you guys be interested in a video on that? Let me know that in the comments. Also, you guys voted yes on the home tour, so I didn't forget. I am going to do it. The house was kind of messy, so I'm probably gonna do it like next week, hopefully, if hubby has time to film. Maybe I'll do it on my own, I don't know, we'll see. But thank you so much for watching. As always, keep spreading the love and light, and I will catch you on the next one.